Hi, I'm Izzy, and in this video we're going to be working on hip health. So grab yourself a mat and get yourself ready for laying on the floor. You will need 2 objects to make the most of this. So I'm using a yoga block, but you can also use a small ball, which is probably a better option, and also a band. So you can do the looped one or a long one and tie it in a knot. So let's start with the block or the ball. We're gonna place it between the legs and we're laying on our back. Let your lower back relax, and then we're gonna start with this squeeze. So with the yoga block, you're more just activating the muscle, but if you have a ball, you'll actually really feel a big movement occur. Either one is fine. So this inward squeeze, we're squeezing inward, and make sure your lower back's pressing into the floor and not arching. And then we're going to do some pelvic tilts. So you might just lift the tailbone a little bit. I'm exaggerating here so that you can see this upward movement. My lower back is pressing into the floor. Now we're done with the block on this part, and now you'll need that band. So again, the looped band or a long one, and you can tie it. We'll put it around the legs right above the knee. We're pulling both legs apart, so we're pushing outwards. We're fighting the resistance of the band in this one versus the last one where we were pushing inward. So you'll see that both legs are moving apart. Now we can also do this with just one leg, so one leg at a time. This one's a little bit more isolated. You'll get a little bit more work in each hip, which I really like this one because our hips tend to function a little bit different on each side. Go ahead and remove the band, place it to the side, and now is for that relaxation and restore part. So we've got one leg coming open while the other one stays. Try to relax that lower back as much as possible. So if you need a prop, a pillow, you can use that block again. Get yourself where you can relax. So we're releasing through this. This one's a really interesting one because typically here we can really notice a difference in each hip if there is any imbalance. Feel free to stay in this one for 30 seconds each. You could do a minute each if your hips will allow it. And then once those hips are opened, we'll move into a rocking movement with the hip open. So we're gonna take one leg up, cross it over, ankle onto the knee, and then we're just gently rocking side to side. Now you might have these big rocks. It might be teeny tiny little rocks if they feel a big stretch in your lower back. However, you can also just take this over to the side and hold it. Just make sure if you do hold this position that you allow yourself to breathe with it as well. Don't forget the other side, as is with all of these exercises. Normally we do about 12 each. And again, with the rocking and the relaxing, you can go up to 30 seconds, but try to spend at least 12 seconds. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I hope you subscribe, and please like the video as well. Stay up to date with new ones, and I'll see you later.